HowExpert Guide to Drawing Nature is your complete hands-on 30-day blueprint for learning how to draw the natural world, from sweeping landscapes and towering mountains to intricate leaves, playful animals, and vibrant underwater life. Built around the exclusive NATUREARTS system, this guide blends clear, step-by-step instruction with 200+ detailed images to help you master realistic techniques while also exploring stylized and whimsical projects, no matter your current skill level. Across 30 carefully structured days, you'll tackle a fresh, focused project every day, building your skills in perspective, composition, texture, and detail while drawing a huge variety of subjects. You'll explore everything from forests, oceans, deserts, and rainforests to mammals, birds, reptiles, plants, weather effects, and fantasy-inspired nature art. Each lesson is designed to give you tangible progress and portfolio-worthy results while keeping the process fun, approachable, and creatively inspiring. Introduction. Discover why nature is one of the richest and most rewarding art subjects, learn what tools you'll need, and preview your creative 30-day journey. Chapter 1. N. Natural Landscapes. Days 1 to 3. Capture mountains, forests, beaches, and coasts with depth, light, and atmosphere. Chapter 2. A. Animals in the Wild. Days 4 to 6. Bring mammals, birds, reptiles, and amphibians to life with accurate forms and expressive poses. Chapter 3. T. Trees and Plants. Days 7 to 9. Master texture, foliage, and shape through oaks, palms, vines, and forest details. Chapter 4. U. Underwater Life. Days 10 to 12. Illustrate dolphins, coral reefs, sea stars, and waves with dynamic movement. Chapter 5. R. Rocks, Rivers, and Landforms. Days 13 to 15. Draw dramatic cliffs, waterfalls, and desert formations with dimension. Chapter 6. E. Environmental Scenes. Days 16 to 18. Capture clouds, storms, rainbows, and seasonal changes with atmosphere. Chapter 7. A. Artistic Styles. Days 19 to 21. Experiment with realism, stylized forms, and whimsical fantasy designs. Chapter 8. R. Rainforests and Exotic Ecosystems. Days 22 to 24. Layer lush foliage, vivid wildlife, and misty jungle scenes. Chapter 9. T. Trails, Camps, and Human Touch. Days 25 to 27. Add man-made elements like paths, tents, and scenic lookouts to natural scenes. Chapter 10. S. Special Projects. Days 28 to 30. Create posters, postcards, story scenes, and a polished nature art portfolio. Conclusion. Celebrate your artistic growth and find inspiration for your next creative chapter. Whether you're a beginner learning the fundamentals, an intermediate artist looking to expand your skills, or a seasoned creator building a nature-themed portfolio, HowExpert Guide to Drawing Nature gives you the structure, variety, and inspiration to make real progress. With 200+ step-by-step images, a proven 30-day NATUREARTS system, and a subject range that spans the entire natural world, this book helps you build confidence, master technique, and fill your sketchbook with art you'll love. One nature drawing at a time. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.